Hello YouTube, 24K back with you. Just some recent pickups in the trade that I've done with Yumi Stanker. First for the pickups. There was a good deal on these about 2-3 months ago on Jam Bullion, I think it was. We were able to pick these up for a really good price. And this was on Gainesville for the longest time, and again it was a really good price, so picked it up. And this was a trade that I did with Yumi Stanker for the Indian Sovereign. It's PF69 Ultra Cameo 2008 Britannia. Alright, thanks for watching.